Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to see list of software, prerequisite software which are required to get started with Java program. First we will note down all the software, then we will start installing all of them one by one. So let me go and note down what are the prerequisite software required. The prerequisite software for Java programming. First in my list is JDK. JDK is nothing but the Java development kit. If you are not aware about JDK, please do watch my previous video where I have explained what is JDK, what is JRE, and what is JVM. This is the basic and fundamental concepts which must be clear before we start with Java program. Second, we need to set the Java environment path. Set up Java environment path. And third, we need to install one editor. In our case, we will install Eclipse, as Eclipse is the very famous and very beneficial editor in the market nowadays. Eclipse installation. So before we start with installing prerequisite software, I would request to everyone to please do subscribe the channel and also like and share the video if it is helpful. Now let me go to any browser. I will go to Chrome. You can go to any browser which you want. Let me go to Google. Let me type the JDK download. So first site is Oracle, where we could see Java download. Since Java JDK is the part of Oracle, so it will be available on Oracle site. So please click on first link. Let the page down. Let the page load it. So we could see Java 19 and Java 17 are showing the latest version on the page. But if you are watching this video 6 months down the line or 1 year down the line, then this version may be different for you. So you can install the version that is available by that time. Even you can download any version if you want and you are comfortable with. For example, I'm going to install Java 11, and since we are going to install in Windows, so let us click on a Windows tab. Here we could see two links are available. One is for installer and another is for compressed archive. So we will go with the installer link. uh, so let us click on download link for installer. Here we could see JDK 11.0.17 Windows 64-bit bin exe. So let us click on this. As soon as you will click on the download link, download exe, here we could be prompted one agreement window. So this is the window where we have to accept the license agreement. But this will not be charges until we are using this for commercial uses. So here, since it is being used for tutorial or learning purpose, we are not required to uh, provide any charges. So let us accept the license agreement, and as soon as we will accept, download link will be enabled. So click on download link. Here we will be prompted to log into Oracle site. If you do not have account on Oracle for Oracle page, so you can create account, Oracle account here by clicking on create account button, and then you will have username and password, and you can use that username and password and log into this page. As soon as you will log in, download will start automatically. Since I have already downloaded the JDK, So I will skip the downloading part here. Steps will be same, and then if we are done with downloading, then we can go to the download directory. Here is the download directory. We could see at the top, since I have downloaded it yesterday, so it is a bit down. So here it will be showing up. Now we can install this JDK. Before installing, let us go to the command prompt and verify if any version is installed in my system or not. So let me go to command prompt and type cmd in Windows search. Let me type java hyphen version. This is the command to check the version available in the system. It is saying Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, so Java is not installed in the system. So let us go to install it. Let us go to download directory and let us double click on the JDK exe. It is asking to accept, to proceed. Yes, click on yes to proceed. Now let's click on next. Now it is showing the default path where Java is going to be installed. We can choose the path as per our convenience, or if we want any other directory to get installed JDK, then we can select that directory by clicking on change button. Now I wanted this JDK to get installed on the default path, so I will click on next. As soon as you will click on next, it will be start installing on the same path. Now it is saying Java SE Standard Edition Development Kit 11.0.17 64-bit successfully installed. So it is installed now. Let us close this window. Now let us verify if it has installed properly the system or not. Let us go to Windows search, type command cmd, enter. Command prompt will open. Just type java minus hyphen version. We could see Java version 11.0.17 has installed, which we have installed just now. So we are done with installation. Now we will go to the second part in the list of prerequisite. We have to set up Java environment path. So how to set up? Just go to the start and search and type edit system environment variable. So click on this. Sorry. Let us go again. Edit system environment variable. So this system properties window will get opened. So click on environment variables, go to system variables, and go to double click on path and set the JDK bin path here. So from where to take JDK bin path, we have already seen JDK has been installed in C drive and in program files in Java. Here we could see JDK has installed here. So we have to open this folder. We have to go to the bin and we have to take this path and we have to set this path here. So how to set? Just click on new and place this path URL and then click on OK. Now path uh, setup has been done now. Also we have to create one variable, environment system variable, and we have to provide a Java home path. So Java home path, so we have to create one variable Java home with the name of Java home. So let us click on new, type Java home in caps and just go to the same directory where JDK has installed and take the path till the version, not bin, before bin, and place it to the variable value we have created one variable Java home, and we have given the JDK path, and we have to click on OK, and again click on OK, again click on OK. Now Java setup, environment setup is done. Next, we have to install Eclipse. Even without installing Eclipse, we can go ahead, but it is best practice to get the editor installed for organized programming. So how to install Eclipse? Let us follow the same steps what we have followed to install JDK. Let us go to Chrome browser. You can go to any browser. Let us go to Google. Type download Eclipse. Go to its website, eclipse.org. Here we could see Eclipse IDE version download option button is showing. So we have to click on this, and we have to download it, and we have to install it. Since I have already installed in my system, so I will not go ahead and install it. Uh, and we can also save our time, because steps is the same what we have already followed to get the JDK downloaded and installed. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.